Hey guys, here again. It's not too often we get these big rains, but this time we had quite the downpour here. Not sure if you're able to see how it's a pretty good rain. And I just want to see this downspout system, how well it is draining over here. You can see all this runoff just on my driveway, and here on the step, right, there's all this pooling just from normal water. And look at this thing rip and roar. Wow, I'm getting soaked here. And it's just pouring out. Doing a great job watering this front lawn here, which this area gets very dry. So not only is it getting the water away from the house, chugging along, you know, it's keeping this foundation nice and dry over here. Look how nice and dry the foundation is over here. All this section here, keeping my walkway pretty clear. And all that water downhill into that ravine over there, where it belongs.